Okay, well, building a tiny home on wheels for private residents require careful planning and consideration. Here are some important tips and consideration. The first aspect is about the design and planning. Measure and plan, ensure the design fit within road regulation and trailer dimension. Then space optimization, we can maximize space with multifunctional furniture and storage solution. And then about the zoning and regulation, we can research local zoning laws and regulation regarding the tiny homes. Then for the second aspect, it's about the structural integrity. Sturdy trailer, choose a trailer that can support the weight of your tiny home. The next point is about the frame and foundation. We can ensure the frame is sturdy and well constructed to withstand transportation. Then for the third point, it's about the weatherproofing. We can seal all joints and seams to prevent water damage. Then for the third aspect is about the face safety features. We can use smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Install detectors for safety, then emergency exit. Ensure windows or door can serve as emergency exits. Then about the fire extinguisher. Install a fire extinguisher and know how to use it. So for the fourth aspect is about the insulation and climate control, and we can see about the 2 point of it. The first point is about the proper insulation. We can insulate walls, floor, and ceiling to regulate temperature. Then heating and cooling. We can choose efficient heating and cooling systems suitable for tiny homes. Then for the fifth aspect, it's about the plumbing and electrical. We can see about the water supply. We can decide between tank or tankless water system, then electrical system. Choose between grid tied or off-grid electrical system. Then about the plumbing and electrical layout, plan for efficient and safe plumbing and electrical system. Then for the sixth aspect is about the finishing touches. So it has a 2 point. The first point is durable materials. We can choose materials that can withstand wear and tear. Then for second point is about the finishing touches. We can add aesthetic elements like trim, molding, and paint. Then for the seventh aspect is about the maintenance and upkeep. It's about the regular inspection. We can regularly inspect the tiny home system and structure. Then for the next point is about the maintenance access. We can ensure easy access to system for maintenance. Then for the eighth aspect is about additional consideration. So it has a 3 point, and then the first point of it is about the parking and storage. We can research parking and storage option for your tiny home. Then about insurance and financing, we can research insurance option and financing opportunities. Then resale value, it was very important, so we can consider the resale value of your tiny home. Then about the final tips, it has a 3 point. The first point is research and plan. We can research and plan thoroughly before starting construction. Then for the second point is about the seek professional help. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Then for the third point is about the be flexible. Be prepared to make adjustment during the building process. Okay, well, by considering these tips and consideration, you can build a safe, functional, and comfortable tiny home on wheels for private residents.